Hey YouTube, it's Nina. So, well, obviously, you know who it is, but I need to update some old videos. I do this from time to time where I go through, update thumbnails, update SEO tags, descriptions, just to see if I can give it a little boost, to get more views. So again, I thought, why don't I just take you along? So we're gonna actually use TubeBuddy. They have an A/B testing. I'll tell you all about what that means. That helps you compare your thumbnails, your tags. I have never used the app, so I'm gonna make it easier for myself and use that. And let's go, let's do it together, all right? Okay, so here I am on not Rev. I have a video on Rev, by the way, but on TubeBuddy.com, I've logged in. Just go to sociallynina.com to log in there. And what I'm gonna use is under the Launchpad. Now I'm gonna show you here, but I also wanna show you that from your videos, you can actually launch this. And that's probably the way I'm gonna do it. But under here are a lot of the tools that you can use. And let's see the one that I want. Is it on my A/B test right there? Easy, Nina. So I go to A/B test, then manage. Let me just explain to you real quick. So A/B testing means there's A and then there's B, right? And you're gonna actually give your audience two different versions. And in the end, you should have some kind of comparison or some kind of data. I am a data junkie. So you want something to look at to see which one is more effective. Now, this again is not just for thumbnails. It's not just for, SEO. This can be for the titles of your emails that you send out. This could be for landing pages that you use, for sales pages, for sales pitches. You might have the same person doing the same, sales pitch for two different people and see which one converts better. Converts means they purchase and they actually sign up, right? But it's just basically saying, I don't know which one works better. So let's do a test for a certain period of time. And then whichever one works better, we'll use that going forward. Okay. So under here, I'm gonna click on manage and it's basically going to create an A/B test, okay? And what this is gonna do is you can select one of, and mind you, I have not done this before, but I've peeked through here, but you're gonna select which one of your videos. I basically am changing over my thumbnails and I wanna see which ones work better. I know at one point, if my hair was straight, it worked better, but obviously my hair's not straight, so we can't use those. So each time you're gonna compare each thumbnail. So I'm gonna select a recent upload. And actually I don't want a recent upload because it's not one of my recent ones. It's gonna be an older one. I'm in my YouTube studio here. So I'm gonna search in my YouTube studio and I'm looking for, let's do personal branding. Just in case you didn't know, in your YouTube studio, studio.youtube.com, you can go into your studio and do some searches. And we're gonna fast forward through this because I obviously can't find the video, but I know I can do it on my main page. We're gonna fast forward. So this is a video I want, right? This is my old thumbnail and I only had 546 views. I didn't expect to get a lot on this. Here's the thing. Let me just tell you guys, as I'm grabbing the link, I'm just gonna grab the link, very easy. There's content on your channel that's gonna do well. This has nothing to do with the video, just a tip for you. There's content on your channel that's gonna do well. If I say if I do anything with Canva and Instagram, I'll get a ton of views, specific Canva and Instagram videos, because that's what's hot. If I do 10 Instagram hacks or stories or whatever, I'm gonna get a ton of views. I'm in this to make money. Sorry, surprise, shocker. So for me, I have to couple that with videos that actually get me clients. Even though those videos, that set of personal branding videos didn't get me a lot of views because I'm not dominating on YouTube in the personal branding space, but on my website I am. But what I needed to do with those is I actually get more leads from those videos. I get more views from the other. See, balance. It's a whole nother lesson on that. I'll talk about that in my membership that's coming up and that you can search for it, that I'll tell you about. But anyways, here we are back in TubeBuddy, little detour. So which video would you like to run a test on? Not one of my recent videos, but I'm gonna actually put in the link here and it comes up. I probably could have searched the name after all that, but whatever. Let's have some more fun. All right, so this is the current video and I'm gonna run a test. So I am going to select, let's see. It says, what would you like to do? Either the thumbnail or the metadata. Metadata is not just, again, for YouTube. When you have a document, I know you save documents, there's a title of the document. There's also when it's edited, who it was modified by, the description, like that's all information about the file. Same thing with your videos, your thumbnails, your YouTube. So in your YouTube, in this case, it'd be your title, description, and tags. I'll do that probably in a separate video, but I'm gonna go ahead and choose thumbnail here. And then you're gonna set the amount of time you wanna do this test. Remember, we're doing A/B testing. So let's run the test, look at the data and how much time. So I don't think 14 days is enough because I don't get a lot of views on this. So I'm gonna say I didn't say 14, come on now. I'm gonna say 30 days. When do you wanna start? I wanna start either at midnight or whatever. I just wanna start now, okay? So you may have a time period. I'm gonna go ahead and upload my comparison. Okay, so what you wanna do is upload your comparison image. Now, what I'm gonna start doing is uploading comparison images without my face to see if that does better, right? But I know my audience are usually African-American women. There's a lot of men that watch this too, but African-American women that are probably natural hair and they're like, hey, she looks like me. So you wanna try different things. Maybe they couldn't pick it out here, or maybe, you know, whatever. So these are the two that it's gonna run, and it means that when people do a search, they're gonna either see one or the other, and then at the end, I'm gonna get my results. So I'm gonna click on yes, start test. I'm so excited. So usually what I would do is I would just change the thumbnail and see if that would give it more views. That's what I would do, right? Now, here's the thing. If I also would usually change the title, description, tag, see if I can get some more views. But what that doesn't do is tell me what in that process gave me more views. So if I change it and I get more views, it could have been the tags, it could have been the description, it could have been the thumbnails. This gives me something very specific, and I can probably do the tags in this also, but I'm gonna go through a couple videos with the thumbnails, then I'll go through a couple of videos with the tags and description and metadata and see how it works. All right, if you want the results of this, head over to my Instagram, Instagram/sociallynina. You can also head over to my website, sociallynina.com, but head over to my Instagram, and when I get the results in 30 days, I'll do it there. I probably won't do another video on it. But if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share. It all helps me grow my channel. And the more I get that, the more I know what you guys like. So there's people who like a ton of videos, but then they don't like the videos. So then I'm like, they don't like the content. So always tell me what you like. Comment below, ask me questions, tell me what else you want to see. Follow me on Instagram. I'm always in my DMs. Unless it's garbage, don't ask me if I want any Bitcoin, or if the new thing is people like, oh, let me know if you want me to pay a bill. What is that? Let me know if you want me to pay a bill. That's an Instagram thing. The other one's Bitcoin. They'd be like, hi, how are you? This and that. Would you like to No, I don't want to learn about Bitcoin. I got my Bitcoins together. All right, and my little coins. Bye. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me.